Aku apa tip siapa ngajungi? Gak kermen pat, tapi nom si kelayang ah.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Dagi Hajar ngut ki pajba bat ki nong jengok kai ne keleng ke jela bat nabar ke jela kila tuj seka Pung Aitnar sor juai haga khandai tarik unaitung arjar penriu ban Sakhi ke singi penkut jong ke lek niam Behdeiñkhlam kawai nagi lek niam tenrai bakrau tam jong ke jat penriu penar ke jingra ki kila po sek bentar bokong santam da ke jingra i ki Behdeiñkhlam seka Pung Aitnar bat ke jingi lek kai dat lawa kor ke bolong ke dak jong ke jingkut jong ke ne ke lek niam ke baju penlong sisin sisnem da ki riu ngit niam tri Kapung Aitnar ke sawa da ke bom ke bhuri ke besli bat ke bikur kan bagi kemai raj bagi kon raj kila pendep ye ki benta ba per jukle niam kat kum kerukom tenrai haga ni ke sngi menteri rang ba ke jela Asam Himanta Sarma usambut menteri rang ba ke jela ba snga walang dhar usi am ke karbi anglong atan mas district council Dr Tuliram Ronghang ke menteri sarkar jela kan thuk ba lakmen ramboi ba wailat miki shella ba sustenance sotun ba sanbor shulai ubrening es sangma ki MDC ke JHADC nalor ki officer sarkar berkuai kilalong kum ginong syakot sngawa kasenra shalong sengasi kemi sen telilang nemtri la thlabo senrat umulong kumju kidarwar snong bakan thuk ya lum yong kejam lum kerwiang lum sang yar panaliar dulong tepepali lum perdi yong pia bat jauh musyang kilawan rai ki rod belapin krek kerpanga Aitnar bad hadin kata lapan herpat saya ke knang belai hadin kani lapan long sagjing la niam dat lawakor hapding ke kenhun ulang do na pentorwa bad ke kenhun sangot paswet na ke pentor ning
blessing. It gives us strength and scene at the site. If it's in another location, it might be very dangerous, but nothing happens as they do it with feelings of love, brotherhood, unity, and happiness to celebrate the most special and festive festival of Biang Day.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.